When replacing windows in your Birmingham home, it's essential to get the job done right. A well-executed window replacement enhances your home's aesthetic appeal, boosts energy efficiency, and increases property value. However, many homeowners make mistakes that can lead to costly repairs, inefficient insulation, and frustrating delays. To help you avoid these pitfalls, we've outlined the most common window replacement mistakes and how to prevent them. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home. Birmingham's climate experiences warm summers and chilly winters, so choosing energy-efficient windows is crucial. Many homeowners opt for single-pane windows to save money up front, but these do not provide adequate insulation. Instead, choose double or triple pane windows with low-E coatings to improve energy efficiency and comfort. How to avoid it? Consult with a window professional to assess your home's insulation needs. Look for Energy Star rated windows that suit Birmingham's weather conditions. Incorrect measurement. Ordering the wrong size windows can lead to improper installation, which can cause air leaks, higher energy bills, and structural issues. Many homeowners attempt to measure their windows themselves but miscalculate dimensions, leading to costly mistakes. How to avoid it? Always double-check your measurements before placing an order. If you're unsure, hire a professional to take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Hiring an unqualified installer. A window is only as good as its installation. Even the highest quality windows will underperform if installed incorrectly. Some homeowners try to save money by hiring a cheap contractor or attempting a DIY installation, which can lead to misalignment, leaks, and drafts. How to avoid it? Research and hire a licensed and experienced window installation professional in Birmingham. Read customer reviews, ask for references, and ensure the installer offers a warranty on their work. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Not all windows are created equal, and failing to consider energy efficiency ratings can lead to higher utility costs. Some homeowners focus solely on the window's appearance and overlook features like U-factor, solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, and frame materials, which affect energy performance. How to avoid it? Choose windows with high energy efficiency ratings. Look for double-glazed or triple-glazed options with argon or krypton gas fillings and insulated frames to minimize heat transfer. Overlooking proper permit. In Birmingham, certain window replacements require permits, especially if they involve structural changes. Some homeowners skip this step to speed up the process, but failing to obtain the necessary permits can result in fines and complications when selling your home. How to avoid it? Check with the Birmingham City Building Department to determine if a permit is required for your window replacement project. A reputable contractor will also be familiar with local regulations. Forgetting about maintenance requirements. Not all window materials require the same level of maintenance. Some homeowners choose windows based on looks without considering how much upkeep they will need. For example, wood windows require regular painting or sealing, while vinyl or fiberglass options are more low maintenance. How to avoid it? Choose window materials that fit your lifestyle and maintenance preferences. If you prefer minimal upkeep, opt for vinyl or composite windows, which resist warping and fading. Not considering window placement. Many homeowners fail to think about how window placement affects their home's lighting, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Placing large windows in direct sunlight without UV protection can lead to overheating, while poor placement can reduce airflow in your home. How to avoid it? Work with a window professional to strategically place windows for optimal lighting, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Consider adding window treatments like blinds or shades for additional control over sunlight exposure. Rushing the installation process. Some homeowners try to speed up the window replacement process to minimize disruption. However, rushing can lead to improper installation, gaps, and water leaks, which will require costly repairs later on. How to avoid it? Allow sufficient time for proper installation. Choose an experienced contractor who follows best practices and ensures a high-quality finish. Conclusion. Replacing windows in your Birmingham home is a significant investment that should be done correctly the first time. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong window type, hiring an unqualified installer, and neglecting energy efficiency, you can ensure your window replacement project is a success. Take the time to research, plan, and consult professionals to achieve long-lasting, energy-efficient, and visually appealing results for your home.